Hello, welcome to Math Minutes with Mr. Chu. My Math Minutes are just quick math problems that offer you a second opportunity to do another problem like that by clicking on a link at the end of the video. Make sure you like my videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math. So we're going to be solving equations with fractions. So we've got a word problem. We have to write the equation, then we have to solve it, and then it ends up having two steps in it. All right, so it says if 2/3 of y is 90, what's 1/5 of y? So the first thing we have to find is if 2/3 of y is 90, I need to find out what y equals. Then I have to find 1/5 of y. So we have to convert this into a mathematical sentence. So the word of means multiply. So I write 2/3. I write multiplication as a raised dot. And that equals 90. All right, so this actually is 2/3 of y equals 90, and I have to solve this one-step equation now. I have to do the multiplication property of equality and multiply by something that's going to not have a 2/3 y but will create a y. And so you multiply by the reciprocal. So I multiply the left by 3/2 and the right by 3/2. But I put this over 1 so that I can do my canceling of fractions here. Well, these cancel so that I have my y, which is what I want. The 2 and the 90 have a common factor of 2, so I can cancel a 2 here. This becomes a 45. And so this is 1 times 1 over 1 times 1, which is 1 over 1, which is 1. So this becomes y. 45 times 3. So I can just multiply this. I get 135 when I stack it up. So y equals 135. That's not my answer. It wants 1/5 of that. So here is the second part. Of means times. So 1/5 times 135 over 1. Is there a common factor here? Yes, there's a common factor of 5 because the 5 divisibility rule is if it ends in 5, it's divisible by 5. So let's just long divide here and practice that. 5 cannot divide into 1, but it can divide into 13 2 times. 5 times 2 is 10. I subtract that. 10 from 13 is 3, and I carry my 5 down. And 5 goes into 35 7 times. 7 times 5 is 35. The 0 means it terminates, so my answer is 27. So 27 is my answer. All right, so there will be a link up here to a second problem similar to this and the solution. So let me give you that problem right now, and let's see if you can solve it. And then go to that link at the end after you pause it. So, here is my new problem. If 3/4 of x is 60, what is 1/2 of x? So try the problem in red here, pause this, work it, and then when you start it again, there'll be a link up here to get to the solution. You'll see if you did it right once you click that. Down here will be a playlist of my other Math Minutes. Over here's my subscribe button. I'm Mr. Chu. I hope you enjoy Math Minutes with Mr. Chu, and I want to help you learn the algebra. See you in the next video.